Meaning of inefficiently.
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 Inefficiently. The word inefficiently refers to a lack of effectiveness or productivity, usually due to a poor use of resources or methods. When someone or something is performing inefficiently, they may be taking longer than necessary to complete a task or not achieving the desired results. This can lead to wasted time, money, and effort. Inefficient systems or processes may also be prone to errors, delays, or other issues that limit their overall effectiveness. Choosing efficient methods can help individuals and organizations achieve their goals more quickly and effectively.